Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive, and welcome to this video on the Audi SQ7. It's a 2018 model that we've been working on, so we've absolutely rebuilt this car, unbelievably so. So what you can see is obviously nothing, which is the fantastic bit about it. You can't see anything whatsoever, it's beautiful. So what I'll be doing, talking you through a bit about the installation that we've carried out, as well as what we've done, what we can do, and all the possibilities that are possible for a car. So we'll start at the front end. It'll all make a little bit more sense when I turn the car on. But what we've done on these headlights, front and rear, we've actually drilled into the back of the headlights, so you can't see anything. So a really covert installation. If you look very carefully, in the grille you can see a couple of lighting strips. Even with the light as it is, you probably won't be able to see that, but even during the daytime, cannot see that at all. One of the main things that we've done with this is that it actually comes as a clear light, as many installers know, and many if you look online at lighting options, most of them come as a clear. What we've done on this, we pay attention at CBS to the minor details. We've actually tinted those with a tint spray, made them completely covert. They match in, blend in with the car, really hidden behind the bumper. So there's even more in this bumper that you can't see, and what I'll do is I'll be showing you, you'll see more when I turn that on. And we step round to the rear. Again, it just looks like a 2018 SQ7. You wouldn't think any different of it. So what I'll do is I'll just turn it on. And as you can see, I'll show you the custom panel that we've built in a second. And as you can see now, completely transformed. It's probably a bit bright on your camera, so we'll start again at the front. So in here, you probably didn't notice in the video before, we've got orange flashing light here, again tinted to make it even more covert. In the lights, you can see the flash pattern that we've gone for, all custom. We choose how we want to set this up. Really stunning, really effective as well. You see this coming down the road, you're definitely going to notice it. So you've also got lighting actually in the cab itself. But it's a commercial vehicle, but it's not at the same time. It's a stunning example of what is actually possible and how you can transform a vehicle. As you can see, there's a little orange light in the actual mirror cluster here. So what we've had to do with this is actually remove the mirror itself, run all the wiring through, and we've actually managed to put one into the mirror cluster itself. So again, really covert. You've got two lights here. This is your amber and red. This is going to give you obviously your side visual warnings. That's why we've got the ones on the side as well. Again, similar sort of thing as the front bumper. That's in there. So really cool. And obviously when we step round to the rear of the vehicle, it gets properly bright. So what we've used here is relays. Again, on the rear, we've drilled into the back of the headlights. That's a very scary thing that we've done. We've done it a couple of times now. Gives absolutely stunning results. So it looks really cool. We're really impressed with how this has turned out. Happy with the finish, as well as obviously all the quality of the installation. So with any installation like this, where it's quite a large project, we always have a project lead. So we have a project lead in the office, as well as a project lead as the engineer. So it's a stunning example of what is possible. So I'd just like to step inside the vehicle now and show you the panel that we've actually made up. So this is a custom panel. So all the lighting is actually controlled on here. So you can actually choose each individual colour and turn them on and off. Couple of other things that we've added to this vehicle is we've got a Road Angel gem in there, and we've also got a phone cradle which is in the vehicle as well, and that's down there. We've also got Target Blue Eye at the top here, which is a really cool gadget as well. So that's all up at the top, nice and neatly installed, very limited cable run. And then you've also got the Thinkware F800 Pro. So what I'll do is I'll take you around to the rear of the vehicle now. So if we just open it up, as you can see, completely standard. You do not see anything. You've actually got LED lights flashing in here as well. And how well you can see, I'll grab the light. what we've got here at the top is this is what the installation looks like, sort of behind the scenes. Again, not very visible at all. So you've got, that's the Thinkware F800 Pro dashcam. I've done a couple of other videos on that product itself. I've done a couple of reviews, and also it's also installed in our demo car, so you can come view that anytime. So that's basically an overall of the vehicle. So what we've also added in is a Category 5 insurance approved tracking system as well. Very, very important on a vehicle value this sort of size. So first of all, I'd just like to thank the Smarter Metering Services for giving us the ability really to work on their vehicles. Absolutely stunning. Gives a corporate image. Absolutely, it's just stunning. There's not too much more I can say about it really. And the main thing is it's so discreet. Absolutely love it. We're doing more and more of these covert installations. We're getting better and better. So every time we carry out an install for these covert installations, it literally does get better and better every time. So really proud of this one. So thank you very much for watching our short video. I'll be popping all the links below for your reference, so you can see what products we've used, how we've done it, and a bit of tech spec as well in there for you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.